Good evening everyone. Today we're looking at another Luminox watch review. We're looking at one of the Navy Seal ones today. So the typical style of the box for Navy Seal Luminox watches is usually to have this thin deployment case, almost to be small enough just to fit in deployment cases and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get right onto it, shall we? So simple look at the box, standard lightweight plasticky feel to it, with a simple folding down hinge, just simple and rugged. Very simple interior part to the box. That watch just sits on there nice and simple. It's all about the watch really for them, and rather than the box quality. So here we go guys, this is the Luminox Navy Seal Dive 45mm. So you've got a case thickness of 40mm, does look quite thick there. Retails at around about £535 on the Luminox website, but you can get it on Amazon for around £421. The watch weighs 75 grams and operates on a Ronda 515 movement. So let's have a look at the face. So the face is a nice navy blue lined effect there, two-tone finish, one for the inside of the actual face and one for the main dial. You've got a white and orange style hand there, with a white and orange style second hand as well. A nice complementing mix of colours, and nice white, bright white, even numbers for the number system on there. Let's have a look at the colour of the lume. This the camera won't focus too long on this, so just be quick when looking. I'm going to turn it off in 3, 2, 1. A green and orange style hand system with green increments, and you've got a nice round cyclops eye there. Usually they're like a square with a curved edge face, but this one's actually circular, as you can see here, with a circular date dial inside there. You don't often see a circular date dial. The casing itself is a full Carbonox casing, which means I think it's a compound of aluminium and carbon and titanium, I believe, to make it ultra light and ultra strong, resistant to scratches and stuff like that. Sapphire glass to go across this. Some of them have enhanced sapphire glass. I don't know if this one does, but yeah, just standard sapphire glass I think for this. Coming out to the bezel, you've got a small number system going around on a diver style bezel, unidirectional of course. Very nice strong movement to those. Don't want it to be changing in the middle of something important. Overall, a very nice style watch. Cut around to the crown. You've got a stainless steel crown there with crown protection. You can see from the enhanced casing here, a decent movement to the actual date dial in there. A little bit lighter than your Atacama one. A little bit of a flimsy movement to this, but I think it settles for the job in terms of the quality. It's not as strong as, say, the Atacama one, but it's no problem. Come around to the back. We've got that full Navy Seal style Luminox backplate going on there with a little bit more information about the watch. You've got a 200-metre water resistance as well with this watch, and a 24mm orange band here. You can get this band from Luminox itself to buy it separately if you wanted to change the colour. It's the same one as I've got actually. The band offers a nice amount of grip, and the silicone windows on the actual strap, they have an indented style fit to them. As you can see here, the insides of it are indented, which allows for not much fray and stretch over time. Keeps that in place. Coming down to the buckle is also Carbonox as opposed to aluminium. Overall, the watch is very nice and seems to be well kept together. So there we go guys, that is the Luminox Navy Seal Dive 45mm.